Latvia Job Seeker Visa. Your direct path to a career in the heart of the Baltics. This visa lets you enter Latvia to look for employment in person and explore professional opportunities directly. Open to non-EU nationals with higher education or comparable qualifications seeking jobs in Latvia. To apply, you'll need a valid passport, completed application form, qualifications, and a recent photograph. You must show proof of sufficient financial means to support yourself during the job search period in Latvia. Comprehensive health insurance coverage is mandatory, ensuring access to medical services while you search for work. Apply at the Latvian embassy or consulate in your country, submitting all required documents for review. Submit your application in person, ensuring every document is complete and up to date for efficient processing. After approval, the job seeker visa is placed in your passport, allowing legal entry into Latvia for your job search. The visa is typically valid for 6 months, giving you ample time to search and apply for suitable jobs in Latvia. Attend interviews and networking events in person, giving you the advantage of direct connections with Latvian employers. Explore local job boards and company websites. Tailor your CV and cover letter to the Latvian job market for better results. Once offered a job, sign your contract with the employer. You're now eligible to apply for a Latvian residence permit. Apply for a residence permit with your new employment contract and enjoy the benefits of living and working in Latvia. Your European career adventure awaits. Take the first step towards your new life in Latvia today.